Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today's video is all about audio yet again. Now we have done quite a few of our triple audio package into these Fiats, Peugeots and Citroens. This is the very latest. My phone is ringing, so I'm going to just silence it. It is one of the very latest facelift models. So this is the Ducato 9. Ducato 9 facelift came out round about 2024 or late 2023, and they still have the very not very nice sounding speakers. Therefore we have been fitting our triple audio system. So the reason why I'm stood like a goon holding these is because these are factory fitted speakers. You've got the speaker in the door. This is the mid bass. Not very nice quality, mass produced, very cheap. And then in the A pillar, you've got a set of these tweeters. So what we do is we take these out, we give them back to the customer, because some customers like to put these in their garage and get all dusty and store them for however long. And we replace these with a really nice tidy set of German handmade Eton component speakers. So component basically means that you've got the speaker, the tweeter, and the two talk to each other. So the components we fit are identical to the Ducato 7 and the Ducato 8. And the reason why all of our YouTube videos up until now have been Ducato 8 triple audio package, this is the latest facelift. The latest facelift in simpleton's terms are new styling, new grille at the front, and I think a different gearbox. Apart from that, when the Ducato 8 came out in 2021, 2022, they done all of the facelift cosmetic changes for the radio, the virtual cockpit, the steering wheel buttons, and loads of other things, including headlights. This new model, actually, when we drove it in this morning, it looks really nice. The headlights, daytime running lights on there just look really fantastic. So as part of the package, you get the speakers in the doors, you get the tweeters up on the A pillars. We take the door cards off, we sound deaden both the doors to allow for the speakers to perform and also reduce road noise, but also it helps them with any connectors, plugs and wiring looms in behind the door rattling around. For those of you that are into your music, we're just about to bring out a triple audio package deluxe. Basically that means slight increase in quality of speaker, although to be fair, these Eton speakers are pretty damn good, but we're concentrating more on more sound deadening or sound deadening in here, and on the back of the door card, a soft wave noise absorber. And that then means that we could effectively provide a double or triple layer of sound deadening, noise barrier and everything else. And that will then soak up even more noise, means when you're driving, you just be able to enjoy your music. Anyway, enough of that. We'll let you know when that comes out. But we are seeing more and more of these facelifted Ducato 9 models now with the big ugly grille on. I say it's ugly because I don't like it, but that's just because it's new and it is, you know, it's not particularly pretty to look at. So join me inside now. We'll have a quick chat about bits and pieces. In fact, no, don't join me inside. I'm going to open the door so Sammy can have a little look through. He's going to then aim it at the dashboard and I'm just going to talk through what we've done. So this particular head unit is not factory fit. This has got the Pioneer Avic Z1000 in it. It's definitely not factory fitted. This has been retrofitted. But that's good for us because it means that when we fit the triple audio package, it's got a really good fighting chance of sounding really nice by the end of it, whereas we have seen a lot of these Daichi factory 10-inch head units come out that are really poorly amplified, and even then you'll know if you've got one of these, because if you have to have, you know, your volume on number 10 before you can even hear the damn thing, and that is not great. We've tried to look at engineering mode to see if there's any way around it, but we have seen a lot of these Ducato 8s and 9s fitted with these 10-inch systems that people then moan about or we end up removing. But This particular model has got the Pioneer in there, which means that we can use an ISO male to female connector to route the cabling from the sub up to the head unit without interfering or splicing into cables too much, and pick up then an ignition feed for the remote switch on. The Alpine, which is also the amplifier, which is the SWA 150, gets hidden behind the lower drinks holder. So where you can see the charging cable pop out, that's the genuine Fiat drinks holder. And then below that, the sort of crescent or the wedge style is the discrete subwoofer. Really, really nice. You don't notice it. People wouldn't have even known that that's a subwoofer unless they'd put their feet under that drinks holder before, but it's really in keeping, and it just means that you haven't got some ugly thing bolted to the back of a seat. Now that subwoofer is an 8-inch model. The sub fires into the floor, and then it's connected to the amp, which then gives everything a bit of a boost. You've also then got in the storage pocket on the driver's side the bass or subwoofer control adjuster or knob, and that just means that if you do get into the vehicle with a headache, you can just turn it down and adjust it so that it doesn't make it any worse. Now the subwoofer on this particular bit of kit makes a massive difference to the overall enjoyment and sound experience, because we've not only done sound deadening on the doors, we've then fitted new speakers, we've then fitted new tweeters up on the door, on the A-pillars, then you connect it all up with the subwoofer and the amplifier, and this customer, or this couple, are going to drive away very happy, because we've transformed what they were listening to. Now they can enjoy the music and hear instruments they wouldn't have done before. And one of my favourite sayings, and I say this all the time, is we are now going to give you depth, warmth and clarity, which is something that you wouldn't have got beforehand due to the quality of what comes out the factory. So if you are interested in any of this, whether it's Ducato 7, 8 or 9, please do get in touch with us. This is the triple audio package. It's a set price, it comes as one group of products, and we install it, and it takes just around a day or just under a day to install to our standards. Website links in the bio, and get in touch with us via the contact form. Don't forget to watch all of our other videos on YouTube if you have time, and thank you for watching.